friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know. These one-liners and code snippets are extremely helpful, extremely useful, and you can start implementing in your projects from today onwards. This is part 27 of the series. Today we are going to write a one-liner to generate random hex color. Often asked in interviews to check how logical you are and how optimized code you can write. So this is one of those interview questions often asked. So let's address that right away. Alright, I'm in JS40 folder and I'm going to throw in a new file, JS40 part 27.html. Alright, I hope you're enjoying this series. If you are, please do hit that like button for me. Alright, so I'm going to do something creative. Let's see. I'm throwing the script tag at the end. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll generate a random color and assign it to the body and see how that goes. Alright, so to create a random thing, you can just write say random hex color equal to. Now I'm going to make simple use of math.floor and math.random. Okay, I'll use the template literal, so put hash because every hex color should have a hash in front of it. Then I'm going to put dollar and then type math.floor, and inside that again I'm going to use math.random, and I'm going to multiply it with 16777,215. Okay, now why this number? This number is equivalent to the 16777,215 is equivalent to the hash code of FFFFF 6 times. Okay, that's the white color basically. And once you have it, you can then convert it to string and 16, and you close this. We didn't close something properly. Let's check what is missing. I think we added extra. We close this one here, then we close this one here, and the literal here. That's it. That's good. Now let's do a console log first of the random hex color and see if we are getting the desired output. We should ideally. And inspect element, and you are seeing the random hex color. Alright, so now let's do something interesting here with this use case. We can do document dot body dot style dot background color equal to random hex color. So now let's see how this looks. So you can see I'm hitting refresh, and on every refresh I'm getting a new color, right? So if you're building a color portal, this is one line. You can build a dynamic website which gives you random colors. Okay, you can do a lot of variations in it. You can add opacity, you can add RGBA colors to add more lighter shades, etc. So that's up to you to add that creativity. But as part of the one liner, today you learned how to generate the random hex color using just one line, which is this math.floor, then math.random, multiply it with 16777,215, that is equivalent to the 6 times f, which will become white color, and then convert it to string 16, and you get the random hex color. This is how it looks. Again, I'm hitting refresh, and you can see it will keep giving you new color. I hope you enjoyed this particular code snippet. Continue your learning. We'll bring you part 28 shortly, and we'll do this 40 top one-liners. I hope you're enjoying this series. Please do hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.